Cut it off. Yes. I hate you. Thanks, I'm nervous. Hi, it's your girl, Catherine. Well, today your girl just got her hands on the freaking Jackie Aina palette. I mean, I've been having it for a while, but I had a sty and I couldn't make any videos. So here we are with the beautiful iridescent Jackie Aina palette. And if you want to see this look, you should keep watching. I am going into the Revolution Fast Base Concealer in C3. It's a really good concealer, I think. And then I'm setting it with my translucent airspun powder. Not a lot, just a little. And I'm just setting it, and today we're gonna use my new baby. I am going in with edges, and I'm just gonna pack it. I'm putting it right into the crease, and I'm gonna pack it up to the way that I want it. And then I'm blending it out with this BH Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a name on it, so I'm working on that. And then I'm going in with ginger, and I'm putting it right on top of where I put edges. And then I'm going in with Big Wig and putting it right on top of ginger. And then I'm just blending it out with the same brush I used. And then I'm going in with edges and ginger to make the purple kind of tone down, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just blending it in. And then I'm gonna cut my crease with the concealer, the Revolution concealer. I put too much in my hand, but I'm going with the BH Cosmetics concealer brush. I could be wrong, don't come at me. But I'm making a little wing motion, like a cut crease wing, if that makes sense. Yeah, Phil. And then I'm just doing a little dance, and I'm also setting it with the airspun, the translucent airspun. I put too much on it, but oh well. And then I'm going in with edges and ginger on the Morphe and Jeffree Star collaboration, the JS14 brush. And I'm just making so I'm doing a double cut crease. I'm just making a little line, like on the lid. Like I don't have to explain it, like that's why I do videos. And then I went with Supreme Pinker and Big Wig and put it on top of that. And then I'm taking the same BH Cosmetics brush and making a wing. And I also cut off that part of the eyeshadow. I don't know why I did that. I just thought it was cute. And yeah, so I go back with Edges and Ginger and Supreme Pinker and Big Wig, and I make a liner out of it. So this is called a double cut crease. I believe it's a double cut crease. But yeah, it's cute, right? I'm going back with JS14. I'm using a Glam. I'm just putting it on the empty parts of where the eyelid, you know. And I'm also going with soily. So look, don't come at me that I said it wrong, okay? But I'm mixing both of them and putting it where that empty spot is above the liner that I did. And then I'm going in with my eyelashes, and they're 3D eyelashes. Okay, they don't have a style, but the I guess name of it is M302A. I thought, I'm gonna be extra because I'm doing this extra look. I'm gonna do extra eyelashes, And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Ultimate Mascara. Okay, y'all, I don't know if I like this mascara. Like, it made it really, without the eyelashes, it made it really clumpy, if that makes sense. And then I am going with the Wet n Wild Mega Jelly Face Primer, and it's like clear, like you could barely see it, but you see me in the video like messing with it. And I believe this is limited edition. Most likely it is limited edition. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Don't come at me, I said that wrong. In 425. Okay, I'm really bad at matching my foundation. So, yeah. I think it was a pretty good match. It came out good, right? And then just pat on my face. The eyelashes were, okay, so I forgot to clean up the freaking, my eye, like to make it more sharper. I forgot to do that. And I was like in the middle of putting my foundation on. I was like, oh my god, I didn't clean up this side. I was like, oh man. And I'm just patting in the foundation. And then I'm going in with the same concealer, Revolution Fast Base Concealer in C3, and just highlighting the points of my face. You could tell I have really dark bags. Yeah. No bueno. We gotta erase that. I'm just patting it in to my face. Okay, like I honestly like these eyelashes, but I think they're a little bit too extra for this look, And then I'm going with this brush. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. And then I'm setting where I put my concealer, so it could be, I guess, highlighted, And then I'm going in with my Dream Wonder powder, and I broke it. I dropped my makeup bag and I broke it. I was sad because I don't think any stores sell this anymore. I think they discontinue it, and if they did, I'm gonna be so sad because this is my favorite freaking powder. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild bronzer, and okay guys, I bought this a year ago, and this is limited edition, but a dupe for it is there. Also, they have bronzers, but I don't know if it's the same formula like this one. but I would try their bronzers because this one is good. You could try the other ones if you want. So I'm just baking with my air spun to make it all, you know, pop. And then I'm going in with Edges, Ginger, Supreme, Pinky, and Big Wig under my lash line. And that's the eye that had this dye. And so now I'm blending out with a big fluffy brush to make everything a bam, you know? I feel like I sound too extra in these voiceover. Okay, don't come at me, guys, because I never really put on blush. This is like maybe the first time I put on blush, but I'm using the Milani blush in Romantic Rose, and I believe I put too much on, but oh well. And I'm just setting my face with the Mario, I don't know how to say his last name. And I'm just setting it in, and then I go with my Estee Lauder in Heat Wave. This is like honestly my favorite freaking highlighter. Shout out to my uncle because he got it for me, and I'm thankful that he did because it's the best highlighter ever. Next to the Anastasia one, I don't know what's her name, but she's a YouTuber. I really like her highlighter too. I might start using that highlighter again. But you just gotta highlight the main points, and then I'm also setting my face again. Yeah. And excuse my ugly hair, like I didn't even bother to fix it. And I'm going in with the ColourPop collaboration with I Love Sarah too, and this was limited edition. I don't know if they still have it on there, but y'all could go check it out. Maybe I'll just link it in the description if they do. But the name is Mamacita. I thought it would be a good fall look color. Oh, by the way, this is kind of a fall look, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's it. Well, that was the look today. If you like it, you should redo it and tag me if you want. And I want to say a special shout out to my little cousin Kinsley. I know you watching this. I love you and I miss you. I can't wait to see you sometime soon. But yeah, you should follow my Instagram, and yeah, and you should totally subscribe. Why wouldn't you? But yeah, bye.